The journey started right here outside Alumni Hall at noontime on March 15th. We dribbled past the State House where a great photo opportunity existed. That day, our dribbling culminated in Kingston. We parked the campers down at the Holiday Inn, not far from URI. We had the Winnebago as our rolling hotel room. The next morning, we got up bright and early and continued down Route 1. And after we had gotten through Providence proper, we got down to having one or two people out at a time, and did everything in shifts. And that day, we ended up in New London. Parked the campers at Connecticut College. The next day was March 17th, and obviously that was St. Patrick's Day, so we left our parking lot at Connecticut College bright and early in New London and proceeded down Route 1 and ended that day in Milford, Connecticut. It was a Howard Johnson's right off of exit 39 in Milford, Connecticut. That's where we parked the campers that night. The following day was Thursday, and we left Milford and dribbled down to New Rochelle. We got to New Rochelle. We had had our meeting at big festivities in Portchester. Ended our day that day at Iona College. Friday morning, again, hit the road nice and early. We had great weather each and every day, which again was some divine providence looking out for us. We never encountered any inclement weather that entire week. We went as far as 96th Street and 8th Avenue, and a UPI photographer met us there and actually photographed us, set up shots of us dribbling up and down the subway staircases, and which was a lot of fun. So from there, we completed that day, that Friday, and parked the campers at Manhattan College. We're now ready for our final day. Saturday morning, the day dawned, and we dribbled down into Times Square, and we all dribbled into a pancake house for breakfast, dribbled back out, and got down to the garden for our arrival in the garden to be properly introduced to the crowd there.